An enchanting River Oaks estate encompassing over 1.6 plus acres of fully gated grounds, consisting of 3 distinct dwellings with a 5-bedroom main house, 9,428 square feet, a poolside entertainment pavilion, 978 square feet, and 2-bedroom guest apartment, 1,484 square feet, atop a 4-car garage. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stunning luxury real estate videos. Stay tuned for the next dream home.